Hi guys, so I dey see a lot of comment, a lot of now they ask me how I say they make my fufu swallow. So this is what I'm using. Puree. This is puree. If you live in Germany, I got this from Edeka supermarket. This is puree, and it has three inside. So I normally make kule one for myself. Guys, sorry, I'm a bit under the weather, so I have, you know, runny nose and block nose. So this is not the puree, potato puree. So I'm just going to make it because I want to have fufu. So this is how it's looking. I'm just making only one sachet. It's enough for me. Yeah, 2 now overfeeding. So I'll just add some boiled hot water. If you want to make this, you have to make sure you add water little by little, unless you want your fufu soft or light. Me, I like it like medium strong, not too soft, not too strong, just medium. I not add starch or anything. You know, a lot of we Africans normally add starch or a little bit of flour or flour. Yeah. Okay, this is how it's looking now, and that's that. Just going to add a little bit of hot water. I'm just going to cover it up. I'm going to microwave this for 3 minutes. Yeah. Alright, so just bring it out of the microwave. Can you see this thing? Just make it. I will just continue doing this until everything is well combined and, you know, smooth like a baby, a newborn baby nyash. Alright, so you guys can see, yeah, just like that, and I'll just roll it. Voila, fufu is ready. So I made me some vegetable soup. Just be having it with that. Okay. So this is how I make my fufu. This is how I make my fufu. Yeah, so soft. Don't need to add starch or flour or anything. If you're on a weight loss journey, you know, you have to make sure you like reduce a lot of things. Anyway, guys, speak to you guys later. Bye, y'all.